In last video we learned that programming is nothing but the process of writing programs, and program is nothing but a set of instructions we need to tell a computer in order to perform a certain task or in order to achieve a certain goal. In this video we are going to understand how do we write the programs and why do we need a programming language. One way to write a program could have been in our native language. For example, we write a program for like this: भाई left मुड़ जा, भाई right मुड़ जा, भाई 6 कदम आगे चल जा, and computer might have understood. But the problem comes when we understand that computers understand only binaries and we understand only English or our native language. So we need a translator, someone who can sit in between us and the computer to translate our instructions to the machine code or the machine language in the form of binaries. So basically we will write in the English integer s equal to a plus b, and this data, this instruction would be translated into some kind of binary 010101 and like that by some translator, and we call this translator guy a compiler. The job of a compiler is to sit between computers and us and translate the instructions we give in English to the machine code in the form of binaries which computer can understand. The next problem that comes in this mechanism is that we need also standardize the native language. For example, let us say the way we write English or we speak the English is very different from the people who speak English in the British or Canadian, right? So we need a common standard to write the set of instructions which is more you can say like native kind of for the computer to understand. So that is why we invented programming languages. In English we have like millions of words, but in a programming language we hardly have 1000 words. Due to this, it is very easy for compiler to whatever we give the instruction in the programming language to translate into the machine code, and this is where the both programming languages and compiler comes into the picture. So to summarize, basically we write programs in the programming language which can be easily translated into machine code, and the guy who translates this our programming language or the code we have written in a programming language to a machine code is called a compiler. So let us see a simple demo of this. So here I have written a simple program which prints hello world. So let me just compile this program, and once we compile we can see that a new file is being generated called hello. So if I open this file, you can see already it is in the form of machine code 0101 and some random characters which we are not understanding, right? So अगर हमें यही program इस तरह से लिखना होता तो it would must have been a nightmare. Like understanding this would have been complete nightmare, but here we can very easily understand. We want to just show or print the hello world on some console or some output, right? So let me just execute this program for you, so you can see that the output is hello world and the code the compiler has generated in form of some machine code. So basically what we are trying to do, we are trying to write a program in our programming language, in the language that we can understand and that is also a little closer to computer. So once we write this program, we compile this program, and the translator guy who sits in the middle has translated this code into a machine code, and once we run this machine code we get the exact output we expected. In next video we are going to write our first program and we will dive a little deeper into the C++ syntax. Hope to see you in next video. Bye bye.